Many companies in the manufacturing world, we are looking for help. We realize that there's an aging population within the manufacturing industry. There are many people in their 50s, 60s, and 70s that work here. They far outnumber the people in their 20s, 30s, and 40s. So there's a need for this next generation to become involved in manufacturing. So throughout our search in filling this void, we partnered with Ready CT. They offered this internship program for the summer, and it was a perfect fit. Ready CT did a lot of the behind the scenes work in all the details, the W-9s, the paperwork, everything associated with the state was all taken care of by Ready CT. So our intern had the proper soft skills when he came in. He was prompt, he was on time. Every day he was here 10 minutes early. He was dressed appropriately. He asked the right questions. So the motivation that he showed was certainly a huge benefit. Bringing young interns into this manufacturing world is a big benefit. 16, 17-year-old kids coming in here that may not be aware of the manufacturing opportunities that are out there. If their parents aren't in the industry, they may have a negative connotation associated with manufacturing. I think that by having this young generation in here, exposing them to the opportunities, seeing that the floors are very clean, that it's air conditioned, that it's a comfortable working environment, may change their perspective and change it at an early age when they have the opportunity to take care of this and come on full-time employment.
During the school year, we work with students at the school providing career-connected learning opportunities.
We're addressing the labor shortage by bridging the gap between the workforce and education. Students are implementing what they're learning in the classrooms and taking it to the workforce and vice versa.
For example, we provide work site visits, job shadowing opportunities, guest speakers, as well as resume reviews.
We provide support to the intern and the employer from the beginning to end to ensure a high-quality internship experience.
We're all in the same boat with an aging population in the workforce. We can't complain about not having the right tools in place when we've got a company like Ready CT supplying the pipeline for potential new employment down the road.